Okay, so finally the giveaway for Galaxy Notes is here. Well, not today, I will be delayed for a couple of days. The reason is because I'm doing big AMA with Galaxy Engine team. That's yes, I finally got them after 3 weeks of trying, and they agreed to have some AMA on my Telegram channel. So make sure you join my Telegram channel on the February 7 at 4 p.m. UTC time. The video will be posted afterwards and you can ask all the questions you have. Now, Galaxy Engine Notes has been exploding for the last 3 weeks since I did my first video on day number 0. I was pretty much the first YouTuber out there. Now, I'm going to give you a 6 times $50 each for everybody who is using my code to get this node. Okay, so now what you need to do is very simple. Will be an form. Okay, so this will be the form. What you need to do is make sure you can only fill this form if you used my code. Okay, I don't have the wallets who use my code, but the team from Galaxy have them. All right, so they can check and verify whoever use my code, and then I will do a lucky wheel. So the chance if you fill the form are high to get $50 sent to your wallet. Now make sure if you only used my code, send your wallet address where you have that node. Okay, if you don't have node or you never use, just don't send it, will be completely deleted. All right, simple as that. And add your Telegram name right here. Okay, before we go anywhere, just disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice. Do your own research, make sure you understand the risk, because it's crypto, you can lose everything. Now, if you decide to buy the node, make sure you use this code. The only way to get the node is using my code MEXCV1M. Once you get the node, and how to get the node, by the way, is very simple, and why to get the node. All right, so now this is the thing. On Wednesday, I'm going to have AMA with, I think, this lady right here, CCO, okay, or Solia. So now the Galaxy nodes are freaking crazy. All right, they have NFTs before they're 3 years old. They launch NFT, you can launch your project there. They have huge ecosystem right here. We're going to find out everything on the AMA. Now they already sold over 4,300 nodes. We're still making around few hundreds, couple of hundreds, I think 300 or 400 tokens every single day till I make around 100-200 tokens a day. Probably this number will be like 7,000-8,000. I'm going to crack on with videos. All right, why I'm going to do that? Because I think till we make a couple of hundreds tokens, if the price of the token launch will be like a couple of cents, and if the price go 5-10x like the previous project I've been involved, we talk about few bucks a day. I'm talking about 30, 40, 50, 100, 150 bucks a day. You never know how much money we can get and how high this can go. Why? Because these teams right here, you will see that already sold, right? They already sold NFT over 222,000 NFT, including the Mike Tyson NFT collection, Steve Aoki, okay, and also NBA Association NFT. So these guys are already huge. And now check this out. A daily pool for GLX token. If you have the node, you don't need anything. Okay, you can just you can buy the node and hold in your wallet. Simple as that. You cannot send it, you cannot transfer, you cannot sell it still, I don't know, in the future. And then you get daily rewards. More nodes are bought, less tokens we get. So this pool is split between all these 4,000 people. Okay, so you can do the maths. 1.6 million divided by 4,300. You can see how many tokens we're going to get. Probably it's around 400 tokens around, according to my math. Plus, we're getting daily bonus pool of 400,000 tokens. This is crazy. All right, this is very, very crazy. So there are a few ways you can also get into the daily bonus pool. Okay, go and check them up. So why you need that node? Because you're going to have few benefits. You're going to have the daily reward. So this is like a passive income for me. I have the Delicium node. I have what I did extremely well. I did SNS node. I didn't do extremely well. I'm doing okay there. Still, it's for long haul. And I have this node. Now I'm going to look into to buy a couple of different nodes from different projects. Why? Because for me, this will be for the bull market for the next 1.5, 2 years. This will be like small income every single day or every couple of weeks. Just go claim, sell. You never know how the token going to do, how it's going to do in the bull market. Now you're going to have like voting weight. You're going to have launch keys, okay, for everybody who have the nodes. You're going to have bonus pool. You have daily GLX token if you hold the node, and different other benefits. Okay, so this is for Galaxy node. I just want to mention again, AMA on Wednesday, 7th of February, my Telegram. So make sure you join my Telegram down in the description, and make sure you fill the form if you want to win 50 bucks. I will do lucky wheel for 6 people. So if there are, I don't know, like 20, 30 people, 40 people, make sure you join. You fill only if you use my code to get the node. All right, simple as that. Now, you know that on their secondary Ethereum market, they raised around 32,000 NFTs, 32,000 Ethereum for the NFT. That is crazy, correct? That is crazy. So right here, you will see the team, and you can see pretty much everything. You can go learn what is Galaxy, watch the videos, watch full video. You will see what's they talking about. Do some research, do your own research, guys. You know, if you like this token, fine. How much cost the node? 777 bucks on Polygon. You need to pay with USDT. Make sure you have some matic there for the fees, okay? Make sure you use hardware wallet, some ledger or anything, whatever you use, because that's the safest way. All right, so that's about it. Just a couple of updates from myself to you. They are going to have 50,000 engine nodes now. Make sure you understand that the price when this is 10,000 will jump to 1,000 bucks. Okay, so once it's sold over 10,000, the price will be 1,000 bucks, and then will increase for 10 bucks for every 200 sales. All right, if this here jump to 8,000, will easily go to 9,000, then we'll just snap to 10,000. That's always how it's happened. Again, don't be too late to the party. Do your research. Love you all. God bless, and see you on the next one. Goodbye.